Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel FinTracking. Today I'll explain you how you can fill the IPF-5 form in English. There are few steps. Who doesn't understand the Hindi? I already made the video in Hindi. I'll make the pinpoint here. You can go, and if you don't understand Hindi, you can go that link and understand how to you can fill the IPF-5 form. So today I will explain you entire the process from registration to login and what is the next step after you submit the form. That is very crucial to complete that step. Otherwise, this all the steps are worthless. Okay, so we'll go to screen. I'll turn off the camera so you can easily visible my screen. Okay, so you have to come to an Ministry of Corporate Affairs website. This is called mca.gov. You have to press here and the right side, login and register. I already login the created my ID, but you can just register here. I'll explain you how you can register process. From one PAN card, you can register only one ID. So you have to not. So you have to click registered user, not a business user, because you are not using this website routinely. Okay. And then you have to click individual, then you have to insert your PAN card, and then add your email ID and mobile number, and you can create your login ID, and that will how you can create login ID and come here and enter your login ID and password. You can enter, and then this you have to add this captcha. I'll do little bit zoom so it's easily. Then you have to go MC website and go to IPF related service and click on the IPF-5 web form. So this is how web form looks. Okay. And before reaching this IPF form, you need to require important document, entitlement letter. This is that you receive from RTA, cancel check, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and that's it. This all are document required. In case of transmission of the share, there are other set of documents also required. This is not for non-transmission of the share. Have you received the entitlement letter from company or bank? Then you have to click yes and choose here and submit the document. Claim to be filed by self or authorized representative. Now the Ministry of Corporate Affairs add this option. Before this, there is no such option is available. This is a recently update. So if I click the authorized representative, then I have to get letter, signed letter from the client that I am giving the authority to the consultant to submit the IPF-5 form on behalf of me. Okay. And then also you have to submit the detail and second page. And next third step is that there are two options, individual and entity. 99.9% on the most of the cases individual, but there are few entity in which they are holding in the name of HUF sole proprietorship, then you have to click on that also. Okay. But most of the cases the individual are there. And then you have to insert here whatever the name is that, and then you have to insert your father name, father middle name, set the date of birth, then address, country, all the basic detail. Then you have to add your mobile number here, send OTP, enter OTP, verify, same. You click on the verify, I add email address, send OTP, verify. Okay, this is a very important step. Then you have to here insert your Aadhaar number, then it automatically pop-up will come and you have to select the and upload the Aadhaar card. Passport and all these documents are for NRI, not applicable in your case. And this is a PAN card. You have to verify the PAN card. It automatically go to an income tax website and verify, and it is showing that it is verified. Next is scene. You can just search Google in the there is a scene of Geo Financial Service, and it will come. This is a scene Geo Financial Service. Whatever the company name, it will come as an Geo Financial Service. The next step is whether you have to select yes or no. Then In case yes, it is for expired transmission related case in which the investor is expired. You have to insert the name, relation with that claimant, and for example, father, son, mother, whatever the case, and insert the number of nominee in case of successor one, and the name of the beneficiary who is claimant, and then upload all these documents. Okay. But in case the claimant is alive, then you have to click no. And next step is sales amount. You just want to claim, for example, in Geo, there is only one dividend, 150 rupees. You cannot go and unnecessarily click the shares and amount. Okay, so if there is share, you can just share amount. You can claim only amount. For example, in bond or any case, you just now you can click multiple folio, but 99% you just click the one, and this is the case. In each folio number you have to insert same thing. Here you have to insert the folio number. If it is in dividend and it is transferred to IPF, then you have to insert the demat account. Okay, and then equity and how many number of share. Okay, here you can add up to 15th row, so you can claim up to 15 the dividend amount. In this same format, the RT will send you entitlement letter, and you can get the all the details, dividend, physical, you have to insert folio number and the amount, and insert the financial year, that is whatever the applicable financial year. Okay. And you can mention the result, change in address, death of original investor, loss of original document, or other. So this is how you to submit the entire 15 for within the time before it is expired. Okay. And then you have to insert your CDSL NSDL. You can check from your client master sheet that you received from your broker, and you select here, answer the number, validate it automatically. Your bank account and other number it automatically pop up here. And save button. In next step, if you press the next, then you have to upload 3 documents there. One is entitlement letter that you already uploaded here. Again, you have to upload here and as an attachment and declaration. Next, you have to upload your cancel check that is mentioned in the client master. The same bank account number is required, not other bank account. And the third is your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and cancel check. Okay. And the submit the button, it will automatically one SRN number will generate, and you go to in my application, it will show here as an pending for action. Then it automatically one email will be generated from your email ID, and in which there is one attachment. You have to download that attachment, go to with notary, and go to with notary, do the notarization, add witness name, signature, address. Both 2 witness is required. Okay, so add the witness, signature, and everything properly. Add Aadhaar card, PAN card of the claimant or the investor, and submit the entire set of document to courier or through post to RTA as soon as possible. And once the courier reach to RTA, okay, there are few people do mistake. They'll upload once they send through the document through post, and immediately they upload here the courier. So that timeline will be triggered from RTA, and your case will be delayed. So it's very important once the document reach, and then you upload the courier receipt here. Okay, so once you upload the courier receipt here, you have to just see here, submit here, and it will automatically come here, pop up. You have to select the document in which you are courier, and select the document and submit. Okay, once you do that, and next step, that automatically your application will come under processing, and this is how it looks, that it is under process with RTA. And once it's processed by IPF, it is showing like it is approved and pending for the sales and transfer. So this is how it looks, and this is how it will be processed. If you have any doubt, you can contact on the given number. It is also showing on the screen, and also I'll add in my mobile number in the description. Okay, you can ask me any doubt also. If it is very short, I can help you on that. Where it's long, I'll maybe charge some fee on that because it's not possible for me to answer all the calls. Okay, thank you. I'll see the next video. I'll explain you that how these all the attachment will come into picture once you have folio number or you don't have any document. You just know that I have a physical share and how you can retrieve that physical share. Thanks.